Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to earn Bitcoin. And the name of the company is BTC Champ. We are all the champions to earn good Bitcoins. So a good enter is low entrance. So we want to see about this company. It started in Indian company. So we're now in alexa.com, and you see in the first place in Nigeria, the second India, third Italy, the fourth South Africa and Netherlands. So it's all empty, you see on the map. So you can be the first in your country in this company. So look, pay attention please. What is this BTC Champ? Now I want to show you marketing plan. It is here also a good spillover from me. Now it's marketing plan. You pay for here are 6 levels. I'm entered on a 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first level is cost you donate 1,305 BTC, and maximum referrals is 2 referrals. From every you receive from 2 referrals 0.001 BTC, and you make upgrade for 0.309 BTC, and your profit is like this. The level 2, it's maximum 4 referrals. The next will be spillover. You donate 0.309 BTC, and you receive 0.2036 BTC, and from this money you upgrade 0.203 BTC, and you have profit 0.306 BTC. The next level is number 3. You have maximum 8 referrals. So you donate 0.203 BTC, and you receive for everybody 0.24 BTC, and you make upgrade from 4 levels is 0.14 BTC, and your profit is 0.01 BTC. The next level is 4. Here is 16 maximum referrals. So you donate 0.014 BTC, and you receive 0.224 BTC, and then you make upgrade to the 5 level 0.15 BTC, and your profit is 0.0474 BTC. The next level is level 5. Here is maximum referral. You can take 32. Everybody, and the next referrals go to your downline. So go to spillover. Also we have a good spillover here. Yes, register. You donate on a 5 level 0.15 BTC, receive 4.8 BTC. For upgrade the next level 6 is 1.88 BTC, and your profit on the 5 level is 3 BTC. So the next level 6, here is 64 maximum referrals. So on a level 6 you donate 1.8 BTC and receive 115.2 BTC. Wow, crazy, that's good money. So be the first in your country, just do it. So I want to show also how to register here. You register, and when next to go here is go to financial, show you Bitcoin wallet. And Bitcoin wallet, here you show Bitcoin wallet, you write your own Bitcoin wallet. So when click to upgrade and you send money, here will be a Bitcoin address. So you go to your blockchain and write the address which will be you see in your own cabinet. So about submitting the payments, so you go to, here is you writing amount, payment amount, and here is exact amount sent, and here is you write transaction ID. So you have to carefully read this, how it is. So copy, go to blockchain, copy Bitcoin wallet address and see in step 1 and paste it in the search box on blockchain info and click on search. On the next page, look for transaction, all the stores just below, but you will see a long string of characters. Copy that long string of characters and come past it in here in the transaction hash ID fields. Right here you passed it. So copy on submit, voila! If you've done it correctly, your upgrade will be in effect as soon as our automated system approved the transaction. So you click submit and that's okay, all done, that's good. So about your referral ID, you have a referral ID in my link. It's right here, you see your referral ID. So that's a good news. Just be first in your country, just do it. It's all empty, you will be number 1. Okay, just do it. We'll see you soon, bye.